Hello guys, Sunday likes new was ways. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Bye. Bye to this video guys.
So what time is it now? What time is it now? Say oras. Say oras.
Ay, nabali mo na.
Bali ha. Say oras. What time? 3.
7 o'clock.
Ha? Sigurado ko 7 o'clock?
8 o'clock.
Saman? 8 o'clock and
4 minutes.
Sure? Ang 4 minutes na aman na diri oh. Tura man na diha oh. Wala ka abot sa 1. 5 good ng 1. Naon sa man sa meron mga 4 minutes. Ay, tagan-tagan.
8 o'clock.
Pila?
20 minutes.
Ana, dili kay 4 minutes. So, her answer is 8 o'clock and 20 minutes. Okay, very good. Very good. So now, what time is it now? Oh, yes, in time. Sige. Say oras.
9 o'clock.
Pila man? Pila? Pila man? Pila?
9 o'clock and
Pila?
34 minutes.
Very good. Very good. 34 minutes. So now, what time is it now? Okay. Pas. Sige. Pila? May oras? Pila?
55.
Pag unaha lagi ang oras, kung sa oras, isunod din ang minutes. Ang pinakamubo, yung may unahon. Ang sulti. Gasa nagtudlo. Sige. Pila? Pila man? Siya oras. Siya oras. Yeah. Oras.
59. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Ayaw. Tagan-tagaan.
11 o'clock.
Pila man? Pila? Pila?
And 36.
Okay, Inday, answer is 11 o'clock and 46 minutes 8. Very good. Paspas eh, kaya rong tuan, maanad ka. Oh. So, I ask Inday again. Oh. What time is it now? Okay, paspas, pastor ba? Sige, si oras. Unahon jud ng pinakamubo og sulti. Isunod ay ng kuan, isa. Gi.
2 o'clock.
Nagtunod ay na. Oh, 2 o'clock na.
2 o'clock.
And pila man?
And 4 minutes.
Okay. 2 o'clock and 4 minutes. Very good. So, let's ask again in the again. So, I ask again in the. Okay, what time is it now? Pastor. Unaha gid sulti ng pinakamubo.
3 o'clock.
Pila?
And
Pila?
4 minutes. Ay,
4 minutes tundiri ganiha. Nya diha 4 minutes gihapon. Ay lagi kalimot. Ikabot nimo diha sa 1. Basta man ana diri ka magsugod sa 1. Okay, ang 1.5 man na. Pila? Pila? She don't know yet. She not.
3
You don't know
o'clock
yet very well.
and
Pila?
20 minutes.
Oh. 3 o'clock and 20 minutes. She know the answer but to take time. But it's very good. She know.
Ito na?
Oh, now again.
Ano tayo si Mr.
Oh. I ask you again. What time is it now?
5 o'clock.
Pila? Pila?
Five o'clock and
Sige. Sige.
5 o'clock and
Sige.
5, 10,
Pila?
and 26 minutes.
Let me see. Pila to? 5 o'clock and
26, 20,
26, 27. 27 man na.
7.
Nagtudlo man na 7. 27 man na.
Asa?
Nagtudlo. Basta matudlo na diri. O, 7 man na diha. Tura ang 6. O. 27 minutes. Inday said 26. So, she wrong 1. So, bye-bye na. More practice about the clock. Okay.
Bye-bye. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you.